This is my Yamaha Tmax. It's a great maxi scooter, probably one of the best, extremely popular in Europe, and it's very sought after here in the United States. But one thing I don't like are the mirrors. And I've been sent some mirrors to test out. So I'm going to replace the stock mirrors. I'm probably going to print some sort of like closures or holes in order to fill the stock holes on the mirrors. The stock mirrors go on like this, and they look fairly fine, but they are kind of big, and I wanted to see if I could get something that looks a little nicer than this. So what we have here is Fenrir sent me these mirrors, and I am very curious to see how well or how good they look. These are bar end mirrors, so let's check them out. This is what comes with the kit from Fenrir, the bar end mirrors, and it comes with instructions. This is the bar end mirror installation manual. So it cast aluminum ends, and then you have these plugs. I'm not sure exactly how it's going to go. That's the mirror. You have two spacers here. I'll put these aside. Here you have a bunch of tools and bolts. Here's your mirror, another mirror, another mirror, and I believe this is what goes into the side and then holds it up. So pretty straightforward. It should go on like this and then tighten, and these are different adapters. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is remove the bar end weights off your bike. For this, I'm going to put one of the spacers, which is this, to kind of hold the arm, the mirror arm. I'm going to put it through here, and then I'm just going to tighten this just a little bit, just to hold it, just to see if that's enough. If that's not enough, of course, they include plenty of these spacers, so it will fit. And now I'm just going to put it into my handlebar, and I'm going to tighten it using the tool provided. Looks pretty sturdy. It does move a bit, but maybe it's just this that needs to be tightened. Yep. So thus far we have the stock on here. The mirror, it's going to go like this using the screw that they provide. They have a screw and a washer. Put it through here like that. I do like the texture that they put in the mirrors, and I think this is going to look really badass on the Tmax. And nice and sturdy, looks really good. I actually redid this twice. The throttle side has to use a different spacer that's included with the kit. If you look at the upper left in the screen, hidden behind my left arm, that's the spacer you need to use. That way it will not touch the grip and cause any sort of throttle issues. Yeah, this is perfect fitting. Now let's adjust the mirror a bit. Might have to do it like that, move it up to be able to adjust it. Oh yeah. Man, the best thing about bar end mirrors is that you can see just so much better. The only thing I'm going to do is to replace the holes here where the stock mirrors go. I'm probably going to 3D print something, and I think I'm just definitely going to go with these. I mean, this is just a much better looking mirror setup than the stock ones. Well, that's pretty much how you install bar end mirrors. These mirrors are great. I think they really suit the Yamaha Tmax. I'll put a link in the description if you want to buy these. Everything is included to fit in multiple bikes, all bar end mirrors. It comes with various adapters, and it's not very expensive. And I think it makes most bikes look great with them. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.